Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to dye my hair, see my hair color. So you can see it. First things first, pull out the glass. I don't even know how you word this thing. Okay, now let's figure out how to upside down. So I'm supposed to wait for 30 minutes, so an hour should suffice. Okay, so first thing, okay, so cream developer. Okay. Cream, whatever it's called. Yeah.
Okay, so I sectioned my hair and I started applying the hair dye into it. I made sure to not touch my actual scalp because that's what the rules said. I also tried to work my way in through the hair strand as best as I could because I wanted the hair color to actually fully come out nicely all over the hair. Looking at those biceps my hair is giving me, I might as well not even go to the gym anymore. So my mom hopped by thinking I was perming my hair. Abomination.
Maybe I'm trying. When I'm done washing it, I'll wash it with this conditioner. It's like an after color conditioner, fade resistant. So, guys, I literally have no words because how can you tell me this is copper? This is copper. Like, that can lovely. Am I a joke to you? Am I a joke to you guys? How are you going to tell me that if I do a direct color, it's going to go from black to copper? Not too bright, but since my hair is pitch black, is it that I have metal strands, metal for hair strands? Like, that should be it, because how are you gonna tell me my hair is supposed to turn copper? Like, because there were no, I've watched other people's video. The hair turns, so is it just me? Is it me? because I mixed it, I applied it. I mean, you can tell it's not still pitch black, but like you should have just said I was gonna get a dark brown color, because that's what I got. Like there is like 5 strands, single strands of copper in my hair. And the thing is, I did a test strand, but I forgot and left it overnight, which is when I saw the copper color. So I was pretty excited to try it. But no, I'm not leaving dye in my hair overnight for it to work. Like, what is this mess? Who owns Dark and Lovely? Me, I should say Bruni. Bruni and the wedding was the same way. And you'll be out. Y'all had me looking like a clown. Cause anyway guys, so as you can tell, I didn't get a copper color. It's been over 2 weeks since I dyed my hair. I was just so annoyed I could not even record a part 2 of the video. But this is how the hair color turned out. This is nothing like copper. I got another box dye, but I don't dye my hair often. This is like the second time I've tried to dye my hair. The first time it worked amazing. I used the L'Oreal Paris dye. I dyed only the ends. The second time obviously was a serious fail. I'm not too mad at the color. It's just the fact that Dark and Lovely made me hype myself up for copper and... But yes, so this is what it looks like. The ends, like... At this point, I should just wear a red nose and paint my face white because I'm a clown. But anyway, just a bit of hair because it was a whole lot of combing. This is it, guys. It was a serious fail, so I will dye my hair again. I have to get that copper color, but I'm probably going to braid my hair so it can relax a bit. Give it like a month at least, or a month or two before I try to put anything seriously chemical in it again. Yeah. Anywho, this is how it turned out. So spooky Friday. I guess this was the Halloween I didn't ask for. No, I had my hopes up and they went like that. But I'm glad that it wasn't as bad. I literally just did not get the color I wanted, so I didn't lose as much hair as it seemed initially. So for now, I will stick with this until I figure out what to do with my hair. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you're as mad at Dark and Lovely as I am. If I check in is a white man that owns Dark and Lovely. But regardless, jokes. So this is how dyeing my hair went. So yeah, take care guys, be safe. It's still corona, there's still corona out there, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. It's all in the description box. Love you. I'll be posting more often than I used to, so bye for now. Take care. Bye.